Hey all you cool cats and kittens, welcome to the 2020 Cape Fear Cruisers Virtual Car Show. We're here in Southport, North Carolina, here on the waterfront, the Cape Fear River right behind us, and the salubrious breezes are blowing. We have quite the lineup for you, and you don't have to be a gearhead to appreciate this. There's enough eye candy to go around. So sit back, Daddy-O, cuddle up with your main squeeze as we roll out these beautiful chrome